But they don't know. I don't know why they forget that we have got a lot of capacity, a lot of power, which we shall use if necessary. I really can't get it. Because these corrupt people insult our heroes, all those powerful people, honorable, I don't know what, they are all here. On the blood of our people. But you come, you get a chance to lead. Instead of helping people, now you start taking away the little which could help them. But who do these people think they are? We are going to smash them. We have the capacity. Now that they have attracted our, because me, I never concentrate on those things myself. But now that they don't listen, we advise, you have now attracted our attention, our full attention, you will see.
So we now definitely ground. These are also the